Hey folks, today is September the 4th. It's currently 9:23 in the morning. We're going to look at continuing to trade the forex precog system. As you can see here, I'm currently on a Euro USD 5-minute chart. And I also wanted to mention today we had quite a bit of news, including non-farm payroll and several others here. So the market's still kind of wacky right now. As you can see, we had a nice whipsaw here. And the market came down, went back up, now it's coming back down a little bit. For me to look at taking a trade here, I'm going to wait for the next bar to close. I need this to be white, and I need it to close below this light blue line. But let's see what else is happening. No trade there. No trade there. Nope. So it looks like Euro USD might be our best bet today. Let's see what's happening here. Alright, that's pushing up. It's blue. It's above the line here. This is telling me we're looking for a buy. Trend direction is up. What we need now is for this line, the precog predictor, to turn green, and we also need the precog ribbon to turn green. So it might take some time for that to happen. So right now, Euro USD looks like our best bet. As you can see, that bar did close, but it did not close white, and it didn't close underneath the line. So we're going to wait for that to happen. The market will most likely push up into it a little more and then start pushing back down. And if it decides to continue pushing up, we'll obviously just know not to take that trade. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back if we get a trade opportunity. Alright guys, looks like this bar might be the one that actually gets us filled. As you can see, everything here, actually we have another arrow now that's pointing down. I think it was one of these two that was green at one point, but now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrows pointing down, and we're currently on a white bar, and it's currently beneath this light blue line. So hopefully the market will allow it to stay beneath it. We'll be able to get a trade right here. So let's just be patient and see what happens. We have about 3 minutes until this bar closes. Alright guys, we have about 10 seconds to go until this bar ends. Let's see if we can get it to close beneath that line. We need it to stay white, and we need it to close beneath the blue line. And kind of looks like it did. Let me pull this up a little bit more. Okay, so it definitely closed beneath it. That's one of the rules. Everything is still red. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're good to go. Let's do selling a limit right here. And that is at 11149. We'll do another. Let's get this in. Hurry up. Alright, hopefully we can get this second order filled here. And again, today was non-farm payroll day. Typically I would be waiting a little bit longer just to see what the market's going to do here, but decided to go ahead and do some early trading here because I know today's Friday, so it's obviously going to slow things down the further we get into the day, especially after lunchtime. So hopefully we can make something happen here pretty swiftly. Alright, so we're going to use a 15 pip stop. So it's going to be at, what is that, 11,299. Let's go ahead and pop that in. We'll go ahead and put in our 15 pip take profit here. That's going to be at 10997. And then we'll put our second take profit at 10846. Alright, so we're all set up now. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll come back once one of our orders is about to get hit. Alright guys, just another quick update here. As you can see, we're currently up about 8 pips. I've also marked my stop, entry price, and take profit as usual. Just in case while I step away something gets hit, we'll still know where the levels were. At this point right here, you can see that the precog ribbon has moved down basically to my break-even level. So I could potentially move my stop down here. If you were trading right now, you could easily cut your risk in half right now if you wanted to, because as you'll notice, the market tends to stay beneath the precog ribbon. It's basically kind of following it down, it looks like, but I'm going to leave everything the way it is, and I'm going to wait until my first profit target gets hit, if it gets hit, and at that point I'll look at moving my stop down to most likely right above the ribbon, and we'll just go from there. Alright guys, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back when our order is close to getting hit. Alright guys, we're about 2 pips away from being taken out of our first profit target. So now we're just waiting. Never can tell what the market's going to do. It might decide to stop here again and start pushing up, or it'll spike down and get us taken out. So we'll just have to be patient. I mean, we are right on top of our order. All we need to do is go through it. Come on, one more pip. One more pip and we'll be through it. Come on down. There it is. Beautiful. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and move our stop down here. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that really quick. Alright. I believe I might be able to just do that instead of Let's see how that worked. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've manually traded with MT4, so I'm kind of learning everything over again here. And click modify. Nice. Okay. So all you have to do is click on it and drag it down when you want to move it. It's very convenient. We can go ahead and get rid of this one here. And we'll move this one down. So my stop is now basically at break even. Like I said, we're following down the precog ribbon. And that's where my entry price is. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause it again, guys, and we'll just wait and see what happens if the market continues to push down or if it comes back up here and stops me out. So I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Alright guys, just another quick update here. As you can see, the market has moved down quite a bit more. We're now about close to 10 pips away from our final take profit. And the precog ribbon continues to be a pretty strong level of resistance. As you can see, the market, it bounces off of it and continues to push it back down. We've also moved our stop down to this level, which is right above the precog ribbon, and we'll continue to follow that down until we're either stopped out or until our take profit gets hit. Alright, we're at 12 minutes. I'll go ahead and pause the video and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we're a few pips away from getting stopped out here. And like I said, I'm trying to catch as much as I can for you guys. About 3 pips away from our stop. Hopefully the market will continue to use the ribbon as a level of resistance, but if not, we already hit our first profit target. Made 152 on that one, so I have no complaints excuse me, whatsoever. System has been doing extremely well. I really like the fact that we're able to take trades that are going along with the trend on multiple different time frames. It seems to really increase the probability of us winning. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it again. Looks like the market is continuing to bounce around here, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I moved my stop down a little bit and we just got taken out. So we made 30 bucks on that trade we just took and 152 on the trade that was our first take profit. So definitely a good trading day. The system did extremely well. Let's get rid of those. Alright, so if you guys want to get more information on Forex Precog, definitely click the link below and that'll take you to their website. And you can watch some of the videos that the vendor has put up. Anyway, I'm going to keep this video as short as possible. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or contact me at EmpireAmbition.com. Also, if you found this video beneficial, definitely click the thumbs up. Alright, take care folks.